Hello guys, welcome once again to PPC Ads Pro YouTube channel. Today I am going to be going over how to install new Google Analytics GA4 in your website. As you guys know, previously it was Universal Analytics. Right now the latest version is Google Analytics 4. So in this video we're going to learn how to install Google Analytics 4 in your website. So let's log into Google Analytics. Let's click on this first search result, Google Analytics. Here you want to log in with your Google account. Let's choose your account and enter your password. I am creating absolutely new analytics account. That's why this type of introduction like welcome to Google Analytics, and here you have to, and then you wanna click on start measuring. The first step is account setup. You wanna enter your account name over here. I'm just gonna enter PPC Ads Pro. The another step, you have to enter your property name. Let me enter something like PPC Analytics account. Then you want to select your time zone and currency. Once you filled up these two, you can see there show advanced option. If you want to create a Universal Analytics property, you can tick it on. Then there is some other options you have to fill up. So right now I'm going to create only Google Analytics for GA4 only. That's why I'm not going to go with that, and hit on next button. And here you're going to go with business information. The Google want to collect your data, something like what is your industry category, and how many employees you have, and how do you going to use this Google Analytics. So the first one is industry category. I'm gonna choose online communities. The second one is business size. I'm gonna choose something like less than 10 employees. If you have about 100 employees and 200 or 500, whatever it is, you can easily mention over here. The third one is how do you intend to use Google Analytics with your business. So I'm gonna select measure my lead generation and analytics online sales, optimize site or app experience, measure customer engagement with my site or application. Then you wanna hit create button. Next one is license agreement. You have to choose your country, and then tick on the checkbox, hit on I accept button. Right now it's loading. Then next there is some newsletter subscriptions agreement. Okay, let's hit on save button. The another step is set up a data stream to start collecting data. Here you want to choose your platform, whether it's iOS app, Android app or website. So in this tutorial I'm gonna go with website. We're gonna install Google Analytics into your website. So let's click on this web button, then set up data stream. The first one, you have to enter your website URL. Before that you have to mention whether your website is SSL certified or not. If your website is SSL certified, there will be HTTPS, or it will be HTTP only. There is no more SSL certificate for my website at the moment. I will get it soon. So right now let's choose HTTP. Let's copy website URL and paste it over here. The next step, you wanna enter your stream name. I'm just gonna add PPC ads only. And there is enhanced measurement. You want to check it on all these measurement like page views, scrolls, outbound clicks, site search, video engagement and file download. I will explain all about this in another tutorial. Okay, for the stream name, let's make it a PPC Ads Pro website. Then click on create stream button. Right now your web stream details are created. As you can see here, the first one is stream URL, that is ppcadspro.com, and second one is stream name PPC Ads Pro website, and the final one is measurement ID. So right now we're gonna install. Next step, we're gonna get global site tags. Let's come to global site tag and let's click on it. Here you can see global site tag. Let's copy this set of codes and paste it over your website. Let's see here, copy the global site tag into the head section of your website HTML, or if you are using website builder, example WordPress, Shopify, etc. Copy the global site tag into your website builder custom HTML field. My website is developed with WordPress. So I'm gonna show you how to copy paste this snippet into your website. Let's go to the website, copy this code and go to the website. Here I am already logged in with my WordPress dashboard. Let's go to the dashboard. Then you're gonna move to appearance and theme editor. Find here theme header. Let's click on it and here you're gonna find header tag. Let's click on this header tag. Okay, let's see here, you can find your header tag over here. Then I'm just gonna enter that particular code over here at the top of header tag. Let's paste it over here. Once you finish it, let's update the file. Let's see here, file edited successfully. Then go to the analytics again. You can close this web stream details. There is nothing more to do with it. Right now we're gonna check whether it's working or not. Let's come to the analytics and then check with real-time overview. Right now you can see there is one user in your website. There are many more things to learn in Google Analytics 4. I'm not gonna cover everything at the moment. In this tutorial, I just want to show you guys how to install Google Analytics 4 in your website. So that's it for this tutorial. I will create another tutorial for how to install both Google Analytics 4 and Universal Analytics. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.